Hi, my name is Patrick, and this video is regarding when you should not do an MBA or not do it right now. I mean, you must have seen a lot of videos as to when to do an MBA, but this is just opposite that. So I'm just giving you cases where you should not do an MBA and why you should not do an MBA. Right, so we do prepare students for MBA Entrance Exam for more than 23 years, been preparing for various exams like CAT, GMAT, IPM, etc. Now, first case is when your current salary is same as the average package of college you're joining. I mean, say you're already drawing a salary of 12 lakhs per annum and the college you're joining has an average package of some say 13 or 14 lakhs per annum. Not a major increment in that case. So in which case you're already doing very well. So, I mean, even if you do an MBA, your salary jump may not be very high. I mean, since you're going to spend your money on the 2 years of MBA, 2 years of MBA may not be worth it. I mean, unless you're doing it from one of top colleges. So in that case, I would recommend that you continue working and then try for a better college. I mean, you already, I have so many cases, there was one student who waited actually for 6 years. He was doing a really good job. Waited for 6 years, got into IIM Ahmedabad. He got a IIM Ahmedabad after the 6th attempt around for 2-year course. Same with the many cases I know of my students who have waited, though they have got good colleges, but since they had a good, they are working already in a good job, so decided to wait till they get one of the top colleges as such. That's perfectly alright. You can also have an option of doing an executive MBA in the future or 1-year MBA abroad, like in NCR or something on that. That is also a good option that you can look at if you already are doing a good in your job. What are the exceptions? Exceptions are if you do not like your job. I mean, you are drawing a good salary, but somewhere you hate your job and you want to desperately change it. Okay, then MBA is a good way of changing a job or changing an area as such. Or you have a very clear reason. I had a student who had a good job, a good package, etc. But in his company, MBA was required to get a promotion, and MBAs were looked at a different light. I mean, they had a higher package, etc. So he had to do an MBA if he wanted to grow in the future. Though he wanted to continue in the same field. So yes, so different reasons. If you are very clear in terms of what reason you have to do an MBA, go ahead and do it. Second, you're due for a promotion. You're getting a promotion, but you're not admission to a top college. You've got admission to a tier 3 institute. So not got admission to any good B school. In that case, take your promotion. I mean, you are trying to get a promotion. To get your promotion, it will be add to your CV that you got a promotion, and then maybe you can try for an MBA next year in a better college. Or maybe in the future, after working for a few years, try for executive MBA or maybe an MBA abroad. So sort of similar to the previous case, but here we are assuming that you're doing well in your job and you're getting promotions and you have not got admission to a good institute. So in which case, it makes sense to wait. Don't jump into an MBA just for the sake of it. Build your CV and try to do an MBA in the future. Third, you feel you can get a better college next year. You've got a tier 3 institute or some college, but you have done well in your mock scores. Your mock scores are well, and say you just passed out. You still have time in your hand. So in which case, you can wait for 1 more year to try to get a better institute. I mean, it makes you out, but ensure that it has to be backed with data. You can't just go and just try to say, I'll wait for 1 more year. You must have done well in your mocks consistently, or you have done well in all exams except CAT have not done well, but have done well in all exams, which means you have the ability to crack the examination or something on that. Or you feel you have not done your best and there are ways you feel you're sure you can do better. But ensure that even if you're going to wait for next year, ensure that the gap is not high. I mean, don't take a break, sit at home and prepare for examination. Take up a job to ensure that the gap is not too big. Your career path does not require MBA. So say you're in technology and or design or some career path where you're doing well, you're happy, and MBA is not required out there. So in that case, no need of doing an MBA. Continue with your field in the area that you're passionate about. Could be anything. I've had students who didn't do an MBA and still went about doing extremely well. A couple of examples. One went into event management and really did well. I mean, I've seen his photographs on social media with top actors like Shah Rukh Khan, etc. when he was into event management. Then I had one more student who went into journalism. I saw him anchoring in news channels, CNBC, etc. Later on, he went to Singapore and was the head of Wall Street Journal in particular areas. So he did really well. So if a career doesn't require an MBA, then continue in your field and do what you're passionate about. That's what's important. So I hope this helps to clear in terms of why you should not do an MBA or what circumstances you should not do an MBA. So before you do an MBA, do introspect, try to talk with people who are experts or mentors, and they should be able to guide you in terms of what you should actually do. Right? Thank you.